Here is how you can disable the fingerprint sensor on your Android. Let me guide you through it and show you where you can find it. If it's your first time in here, subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. Okay, so you get inside your main settings app and you want to find the security and privacy menu. So it is right there indicated by this like purple shield icon. So you get inside and you have a couple of different suggestions about your security. For example, the account security and updates and so on. But at the top, there is the lock screen. So this is where we need to head in, and then we can see the fingerprints. So just tap on this like that. You will likely be required to type in your code to authenticate yourself. And once you get inside, you will be able to browse all of the data which is related to the fingerprints, right? So you can first of all turn off the fingerprint unlock, right? Meaning that without it, you will not be able to like get inside your phone. So you technically have stored fingerprints in here, but you cannot really use it to get inside the device. So if you wanted to do that, you can turn it off right here. Or you also have the ability to just delete the existing fingerprints, right? So if I click on the fingerprint 2 or 1, I have the ability to tap on remove, and if I remove all of them, then of course I will not have the ability to use it altogether. So it depends on how deep you want to go with it. There is also one more option, which is the always on feature for fingerprint sensor. This practically means that you don't even have to like light up the screen when the phone is like locked and the screen is black. You can just place your finger on the reader and you're gonna get inside immediately. That is the always on feature. If you have it turned on, it's going to work like that, but obviously you have the ability to disable it. And also below, you can turn it off for some websites or a Samsung account, depends on your case, but that's how you can disable it. Let me know if you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.